Hi guys, this is LRC21 Colour Enhancer. It does exactly what it says. It enhances the colour that you've already got. What it won't do is to colour everything, but it needs to be absorbent. It's got to be absorbent for LRC21 Colour Enhancer to work. So just be careful what you're buying and make sure that it's right and it's fit for the job that you're doing. The leather needs to be very absorbent. You can see here where we've already applied some, but the leather needs to be very absorbent, like you can see up here. So these lighter areas is what it's going to colour. If it was a darker area, like say this side, it isn't going to colour that at all because there's nothing to colour, so it can't soak in. So something like an aniline leather, this LRC21 is absolutely phenomenal. If you wanted to sort of do this here, you'd be using our antique creams to do that. So they're going to be perfect for doing that sort of thing, or leather renew. Obviously, application of this is very, very simple. Clean your leather item down first of all. Either use the aniline cleaner or the leather repair company leather cleaner. Either one, make sure it's cleaned. Make sure the surface is dry before you apply. This is a dark brown, as you can see. Simply unscrew the lid, get some on your sponge, like so. So you've got some on the sponge here. And then we're going to apply in a circular motion into the leather here, like so. And you can see how that's colouring the leather like that as we go. You can see it's a massive difference as it's colouring the leather surface there. Obviously, once you've done that, you would allow that to dry on the surface. Once it's fully dry, you can get a cloth and just buff up some excess to get rid of it, then put on a sealer. So you want to seal over with LRC4 leather protection cream. You will find a little bit more comes off on your sponge when you're putting over the leather protection cream. Once that's on, it's sealed in, it won't come off anymore. So something like an old antique piece of furniture or a classic car where you don't want to sort of repaint those surfaces and you want to keep all that beautiful patina that you've got built up in those particular items, this is absolutely fantastic. If there isn't any cracking or any lighter colours showing, then that is where the antique restorer creams would come in to use them for that particular scenario. So that is LRC21 Colour Enhancer. Just remember, it does what it says. It only enhances the colour that you've got, but it must be absorbent to work. So if it's a brand new car seat and you just want to make it look better, this isn't going to work. You need another product to do that. So that's LRC21. Get it from the website today, leatherrepaircompany.com.